Guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. Welcome to a new vlog, you guys. If you're just seeing my beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel because trust me, you're going to enjoy it here, okay? Give this video a huge thumbs up now before you forget, okay? So guys, I just got back from taking Soso to school, taking Adeze to school, basically school runs, school drop off, whichever word. Yeah, so and I'll be going to work much later in the evening, so I just want to carry you guys along with me how I'm going to be spending my day today. It's going to be a beautiful vlog. I have plans of cooking and tidying up the house, editing some vlogs, and maybe one or two other things. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of this vlog, okay? So let me just yank up this wig and then head to the kitchen to start doing the things I'm supposed to do. All right guys, let's go to the kitchen. So guys, the thing is the kids, they've gone to school. Adisa has gone to school, Soso has gone to school, so I quickly want to make food now, wash the bathroom and tidy up, do one or two things and chill. Not really chilling, maybe by the time I'm done doing everything I'm doing, it will be time to go get Soso back because Soso stays 2 hours 30 minutes in school. And yeah, so this is my life. That is my life. So the days I don't get to go to work, the days I don't go to work, that is how it is. Take them to school, come back, do one or two things at home, go back to pick Soso, come back, do one or two things, one or two things, go back, pick Adeze. Before you know it, boom, the day is gone. But much later in the evening today, I'll be going to work. So yeah, so spend the day with me. Will I call it spend the day with me, or I don't know. I don't know, just chill with me. Yeah, let's continue with our music. Problemi non è finisce, make you try to enjoy. I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not
motion in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away?
So guys, our chicken is cooking, so I'm going to turn this off now. So it's time to go pick Soso from school. I was watching the bathroom. This is 11:34 or so, and Soso closes by 11:40, so I'll quickly go there. I'm not driving, I'm walking down. I'll just walk down, pick Soso up and come back and finish the cooking. Like I said, I want to cook fried rice, finish the cooking and start editing a vlog that will go up tomorrow. So stick around with me. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now, like and share the video. Okay, you got it now. Hi Sophie. Sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. I just picked Soso up from school now. Go.
I don't feel I didn't cry.
That's okay. So guys, we have 4 plates here, and from here Adeze we eat, Hubby we eat as well. This one is my own portion, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, this is what I've been able to achieve, and this is this is Totu. So I want to eat now, and then I'll start editing the vlog I talked to you guys about. All right guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. All right.